Today, we are going to tackle a problem that, let's be honest, drives almost every SEO professional crazy: the endless, mind-numbing shuffle between data tabs. We're going to show you how to build a single, unified command center powered by AI to get way faster, way smarter insights from all your data all in one place. If you work in marketing or SEO, this screen is probably your life, right? You're constantly flipping between Google Search Console, then GA4, then Google Ads, maybe a rank tracker, and now a handful of AI tools. It's just a constant, disjointed shuffle that kills your focus. Yeah, exactly. This quote from Will Scott just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? What if you didn't have to switch tabs? What if you could actually get all these different platforms to talk to each other, like instantly? That is the big idea we're diving into. So first, let's talk about the old way of doing things. I call it the SEO spreadsheet trap. It's that manual, super time-consuming process that most of us have been stuck in for, well, years. You know this drill. You download a CSV from Search Console, you grab another one from Google Ads, you pull them into a spreadsheet, and then the pain begins. You start wrestling with VLOOKUPs or index match, just trying to piece together the overlaps. It's slow, it's tedious, and let's be real, it's so easy to make a mistake. So what's the alternative? Let's talk about the solution: a unified command center. A place where you can just talk to your live data, pulled directly from Google's APIs. Okay, so here's the core concept, and it's pretty cool. Forget about building complicated dashboards or constantly fixing broken Looker Studio templates. Instead, what you're doing is creating a project where a code-savvy AI, like Anthropic's Claude, can directly access the raw data for you. You fetch the data once, and from that moment on, you just ask it questions. And let's be super clear about this. This is not about you becoming a Python developer overnight. Nope. This is all about using the AI's incredible ability to understand natural language. You ask your questions in plain English, and it handles all the complicated data crunching in the background. All right, let's get to the best parts. This is where the magic really happens. We're going to look at a real-world example that shows just how unbelievably powerful this conversational approach can be. This is it. This is probably the single most valuable money-saving question you can ask this system. It's the classic paid versus organic analysis. Are we just lighting money on fire with ads because our organic rankings are already doing all the heavy lifting for us? And the result? An analysis that would normally take me an entire afternoon of spreadsheet misery was done in just 90 seconds. That is the huge difference between being reactive and getting ahead of the curve with your strategy. And in those 90 seconds, the AI found 2,742 search terms that were getting ad impressions, but 0 clicks. That's completely wasted ad spend identified instantly. And even more importantly, it flagged 351 specific opportunities to cut back on paid spend for keywords where the site's organic ranking was already rock solid. We're talking about real money back in your budget found in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually build this thing? Let's get into the how. And don't worry, the blueprint is way simpler than you might think. It really just boils down to 3 main steps. First, you have to set up the API authentications with Google. Second, you create a few simple Python scripts that go and grab the data. And third, you just start talking to it. You ask your questions. But here's the absolute best part. You don't even need to know how to do those first 2 steps from scratch. You can literally ask the AI, hey, can you walk me through setting up the Google Search Console API? And it will guide you step by step. It already knows all the API documentation, so you don't have to read it. It's wild. Now, let's look a little bit into the future. With new things like Google's AI overviews and Microsoft's Copilot, just tracking your spot in the Blue Link rankings, it's not the whole story anymore. We have to start thinking about what's being called generative engine optimization, or GEO. And guess what? You can feed this data right into your command center too. There are several tools out there with APIs that can track if you're showing up in these AI-generated answers. And check out that last one. Bing Webmaster Tools gives you first-party data on your Copilot citations for free. It's a fantastic place to start experimenting. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, so let's bring it all home and give you a clear, actionable path to get started on this yourself without feeling totally overwhelmed. Before we get to the steps, though, this is a really important reality check. The AI is your analyst. It's your data cruncher. It surfaces fascinating insights at lightning speed. But it is not the strategist. You still need a human, you, to look at the data, understand the business context, and make the final call. And always, always spot check its work. Trust, but verify. So here's the recommended way to get started. Don't try to connect everything all at once. You'll go crazy. Start simple. Just connect Google Search Console. Get comfortable asking it questions. Once you've got that down, layer in your GA4 data. Then tackle the Google Ads integration. And only then, way down the road, start exploring that AI visibility data. Each step adds value on its own. And that brings us to the end. This ability to have a direct conversation with all of your marketing data, it's not some futuristic idea anymore. It's here, right now. It's faster, it's more efficient, and it opens up a whole new world of strategic insights. So the only thing left to think about is, what's the first question you're going to ask?